Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stafford and I'll be taking you around this approved used Motor Match vehicle. Today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Mercedes-Benz CLA Class 2.1 CLA220d AMG Sport Shooting Brake, which is a diesel automatic. This vehicle is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Cosmos Black Metallic. To start off with, then you have your bi-xenon headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 18-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels with a gloss black finish, really complementing the Cosmos Black exterior colour. You also have privacy glass located in the rear and cargo area, ensuring any passengers or belongings travelling with you have the privacy they desire. Moving to the boot, you have an electronic boot lid, and once open you can see you've got a huge amount of boot space. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the Artico leather and Dynamic microfiber upholstery. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, good for small children's car seats. Moving in through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel, and once again you can see that lovely upholstery, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort on any journey. Taking a look, you also have a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the car, giving the cabin a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your volume controls, hands-free options and buttons to change your information panel, and located on your steering column you are able to find your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys, allowing you to travel at a constant speed. Taking a look at the dash, you can see that this vehicle has done 16,585 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your entertainment system you have everything you need, including your FM radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. You also have your external media connectivity, so you can listen to your own music, as well as dynamic driving select, give you a variety of different driving modes. You also have front and rear parking sensors with a visual aid located on the dash and another one so you can see it in your rear view mirror. You also have a dual zone climate control where you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, as well as adjust the airflow direction and airflow easily. RAC extended warranty is available. All our vehicles are subject to a £150 administration fee. Included in this is a provenance check. For more information you can call us on 01785 899 474 or inquire online now.